If you're curious about the future of technology, you've probably heard about Metaverse technology, which attempts to create a virtual world that simulates a physical location. While this technology has been touted as the next big thing, it could lead to problems with privacy, poor mental health, and a lack of human interaction. It's possible that this technology could help us work in an office space, for instance, by allowing us to work with our coworkers without having to leave our homes. Metaverse technology is revolutionizing virtual worlds in many ways, including the way they train employees. Instead of static classrooms and lectures, workplace metaverses will focus on highly interactive, challenge-based training. And companies will be required to take into account the young generation that grew up in the gaming, social networking, and 3D worlds of today. This reverse intergenerational learning could be a major help for the spread of metaverse-based working. The technology behind metaverses is a blend of cutting-edge technologies, including augmented reality, virtual reality, blockchain, Internet of Things, and artificial intelligence. This combination of technologies will enable users to seamlessly move throughout the digital universe, experiencing immersive experiences from the comfort of their home or office. Metaverse technology is the next big thing in virtual worlds. Facebook recently rebranded itself as Meta and announced plans to invest $10 billion into metaverse technologies. While the technology for the metaverse may be years away, it has the potential to revolutionize how people use the internet. It will enable people to engage in social activities, conduct business transactions, and participate in online communities. The metaverse technology is a new way to interact with others and to share information, which will provide users with a personalized experience and privacy. The platform will allow users to connect with other users across various independent social media platforms. It also provides an opportunity to engage in online education. However, the future of metaverse technology still has plenty of uncertainties and challenges to overcome. Meta's primary focus is developing VR technology and enabling fully immersive digital connections. The company has been developing this technology for some time and is arguably a leader in the field. The company also hopes to introduce new ways for people to connect. The technology will allow users to interact with 3D avatars on a variety of platforms. The metaverse is a virtual open world that combines physical and digital reality. Users are able to interact with each other in simulated scenarios and share their experiences. This is different from other social media platforms and is ideal for users who are seeking a more personable experience. It is also device independent, meaning users aren't limited to a particular platform or device. While the concept of metaverse technology is still a new one, it has a very long way to go. Until now, the only major tech platforms with the computational talent, resources, and ambitions to develop this technology have been government labs. Only few in the for-profit world have imagined how it can be used commercially. Metaverse technology is a virtual environment that allows users to connect with one another in a digital environment. It utilizes the latest technologies, such as blockchain, which is decentralized and transparent. Using blockchain-generated cryptocurrencies, users can transfer value in a 3D digital world. Because of this, blockchain can be used to promote metaverse development. As more companies realize the potential of metaverse technology, they are investing heavily in the technology. Some of these companies include Facebook, Nvidia, Sony, and Microsoft. According to a Bloomberg article, the metaverse economy will be worth $800 billion by 2025 and $2.5 trillion by 2030.